What's up, y'all? This is just gonna be a little video of y'all showing a before and after. You know how sometimes you just get depressed and, overstimulated, overwhelmed just from working, being a mother or father. It just gets kind of hard. So for the rest of this video, you're just gonna really see me cleaning how it started and how it ended. Because listen, I kind of fell behind. So, yeah, I hope that you all enjoy this video. Listen to the great music that I'm going to play with it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And make sure you press that notification bell so that each time that I drop a video, you get notified. Enjoy.
I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart. Find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart.
Taking trips, come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm beside myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one at a time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long say, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time.
I'm still a fan even though it's salty. Hate to see you messing around the brand, are you happy? I'm so mature, they got me in therapist to tell me there's a limit. I want that and I just want you. And I can't have you, no one should have mine. I look at this, not the best idea. Here's no confused, how I
Reached out to me just to see if we